Welcome to Agrimitra Practical Digest. Daily Dose NEET Mini Mock Test Chapter 10 Microbes in Human Welfare. Question number 1. The microscopic proteinaceous infectious agent are viroids, prions, protozoa, bacteria. The right answer is B. Prions. Question number 2. Given below is a diagram of a virus bacteriophage, in which one of the option all the 6 part A, B, C, D, E and F are correct. Option A head, B tail, C collar, D pins, E plate, F prawns. Option B A head, B collar, C tail, D plate, E pins, F prawns. Option C A head, B tail, C collar, D plate, E prawns, F pins. Option D A head, B collar, C tail, D pins, E plates, F prawns. The right answer is here B. Question number 3. Match the following column. At column 1, citric acid, cyclosporin, statins, and butyric acid. At column 2, trichoderma, clostridium, aspergillus, and monascus. The right answer is B. Citric acid, aspergillus, cyclosporin, trichoderma, statin, monascus, butyric acid, clostridium. Question number 4. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to human in making curd from milk and in production of antibiotics are the one of categorized as option A cyanobacteria, option B archaeobacteria, option C chemosynthetic autotrophs, option D heterotrophic bacteria. The right answer is D heterotrophic bacteria. Question number 5. Antibiotics are used to treat disease like diphtheria, whooping cough, B plague, C leprosy, D all of the above. The right answer is D all of the above. Question number 6. Match the following columns. At column 1, Lactobacillus, B Saccharomyces cerevisiae, C Propionibacterium ceremony, D Penicillium roqueforti. At column 2, Roquefort cheese, 2 Swiss cheese tree bread, and 4 milk into curd. The right answer is A. Lactobacillus, milk into curd, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, bread, Propionibacterium ceremony, Swiss cheese, Penicillium roqueforti, Roquefort cheese. Question number 7. Question number 7. Monascus purpureus is the yeast used commercially in the production of option A ethanol, option B streptokinase for removing clots from the blood vessels, option C citric acid, option D blood cholesterol lowering statin. The right answer is D. Question number 8. The primitive prokaryotes responsible for the production of biogas from the dung of ruminant animals include the thermoacidophiles, B methanogens, C eubacteria, D haplophiles. The right answer is methanogens. Question number 9. The below diagram represents the typical biogas plant. Select the correct option for A, B and C respectively. Option A sludge, B dung plus water, C CH4 plus CO2. Option B dung plus water, sludge, CH4 plus CO2. Option C sludge, B CH4 plus CO2, C dung plus water. Option D CH4 plus CO2, B dung plus water, C sludge. The right answer is C. A sludge, B CH4 and CO2, D dung plus water. Question number 10. In Bt cotton, the Bt toxin present in plant tissue as protoxin is converted into active toxin due to option A, alkaline pH of the insect gut, option B, acidic pH of the insect gut, option C, acidic of gut microorganism, option D, the presence of conversion factors in insect gut. The right answer is A, alkaline pH of the insect gut. Thank you.
For daily updates, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will never miss an update from AgriMitra Practical Digest. Thank you.